So now really this is a great match played against India by Pakistan. What a performance by the Pakistani side really, and they were very disappointing when they were 126 for 9 in 17.5 overs when Hassan Ali was came and Shaheen Shafridi joined him, and he really performed a very good. Very good. He has given a wonderful performance in the match, and what a performance by him! 45 of just 16 with his 5 sixes and 3 fours. What a contribution by him! Really has done a great job, Shaheen Shafridi. Really, I really cannot control myself when I'm praising Shaheen Shafridi for his great performance, but he has really done a specialist. He's really done a tremendous job, and what a crunchy shots, crispy shots, delicious shots, and really wonderful shots played by him, and wonderful sixes by him. So Shaheen Shafridi, not only wonderful with the bat, but he has performed really good with the bowling side as well. He is 4 for 39 in his 4 overs, restricting the strong team of India to 174 for 9, 174 for 8 in 20 overs. But Pakistan really, the final pair has really changed the equation here, and it has really done a great job. So congratulations to all the Pakistani nation, and congratulations to all the people watching us the today's match, and who have watched the today's match, or who have